Okay, students, so last video I showed you how to glue up a panel. Okay, and this is a either a top or a bottom to this mini cedar chest. They're both the same size. Okay, I'm going to take it out of the clamps. It's been in for several hours. It's a minimum of 2 hours, right? Take that off, loosen these. When you clamp a panel with multiple pieces like this, you only go one hand tight. If you use both hands, you could actually squeeze all the glue out of the joints and make your panel weak. After we get it out of the clamps, we want to scrape any excess glue off. Those glue beads are hard enough to actually chip the blade in the planer. Okay, so we're getting all the excess off. There we go. And we are ready to go plane this as the next step. We're going to plane it nice and smooth, and that will allow us to then send it through the surface sander on the next video. So I've got one over here that I just started. I'm going to put on my my hearing protection, going over here, turn on our vent system, and this is our loudest machine probably in the shop. We're going to turn it on. Oops. Green button means go, right? I measured this. We're at 1 inch. I've got it set up to 1 inch. We're ready to plane. Send my board through with the grain. You catch it on the back side. Okay, you can see it started to smooth it for us. Let's take off another half turn. And we flip it. Flip the side up. It only cuts on the top side. And we keep doing that until it's smooth. Okay, I'm going to take a full turn this time. That's the maximum. Let's see what we get. Rough the side up. Starting to get close, aren't we? Closer. Cedar is a beautiful wood. Smells nice as well. Going another full turn. Once again, full turn is maximum. Taking off a lot of material across the whole board. We want to leave them as thick as we possibly can. Wow, that's getting real close. One more pass on that one. I'm going to try a half a turn this time. So you can see how it made it nice and flat. I'm going to go turn off our system over here. Turn them both off. So you can hear me. Okay, so that's how we go from the gluing stage, and it's kind of rough, to getting it smooth on both sides. Then we take it from this machine, the planer, to the surface sander, and it even gets a lot more smooth. I don't have it hooked up yet, so we'll try that next time. From there, after we surface sand nice and smooth both sides, we're ready to cut our panel to our finished size, which the plan says it's 13 by 20, and we got to square it as we cut it to size. Then we're ready for the next step. Usually it's some graphics, maybe router and edge, and then the graphics, either the laser or the router with the epoxy. So we're getting there. We'll show you that as we get there. All right, see you next time.